Hello everyone, welcome to this ArcGIS tutorial. In this video, we will learn about create accuracy assessment points, ground truthing of assessment points, compute confusion matrix, 3D visualize DEM in ArcScene. So let's explore in the software now. First, let's bring a satellite classified image. If you don't have a classified image, you can follow the procedures from the previous video for satellite image classification. We also need the Landsat image. First, go to Create Accuracy Points tool, input the classified raster image, set the output. Now, while setting the number of random points, we need to remember that for n number of classes, the points number will be determined from 10 into n squared formula. Here we have two classes, so we will need 40 points. Clicking OK, we can see the result. Change the symbology for better view. Now open the attribute table of the points. We have to conduct ground truthing and add value. We will check the point's location in the image and assign class value in the ground truth column. But before that, check the class values from the classified attribute table. Here value 1 is built area and 2 is non-built. Now get back to the points table. Start editing from the editor tool. Select the point. As it is non-built area, the value will be 2 in this case. Secondly, select another point and check its location and assign value. In this way, conduct this task for all the points. After completion, stop editing and save the edits. Now go to confusion matrix. Insert the accuracy points. Set the output with .dbf extension as it is a table. Click OK and the task is completed. Now if we open the table, we can see the ground truthing accuracy in the kappa field. It is 56.83% in this case. Now let's 3D visualize the DEM in ArcScene. First, insert DEM. Now go to Properties. In Base Heights, select the Floating on a Custom Surface option and click OK. Now we can see the 3D version of DEM. We can use Navigate for hovering over and observe. We can change the symbology to a suitable color ramp for better observation. We can also use Fly for flying over the DEM in different directions and observe from the bird's eye view at different speeds. So this was all for today's video. So thank you everyone for watching till the end. Hope this tutorial will be useful to you.